Welcome to Sotogrande Playa. This is the beach area of Sotogrande. Welcome to this great spacious apartment. As you can see, this lovely living room here that leads out to a terrace with your private garden, and you're right on the sea. A truly magical location. The Mediterranean in front of you, the Rock of Gibraltar, the Moroccan coast, and to the right-hand side is the River Guadiaro. Really a unique location. Inside here we come back into this lovely large room with dual aspect natural light coming in through large windows. Here next to the living room is the master bedroom, again with French doors that go out onto the garden and terrace area. It is en suite. The apartment is of an age, can do with some upgrading, but this location is really unbeatable. Now we're going to move towards the main living section, the bedrooms. To the left is the kitchen, a great size. You could have an island in here. You could actually break down this left-hand side wall to bring the kitchen into the living area as well. Very bright, with a utility area here. And then this terrace, which again you can fill with plants. You can use as a lovely cool eating area in the summer as well.